This identification is at Appomattox Courthouse. Appomattox Courthouse was the final battle of the Civil War. It occurred on April 9th, 1865 at Appomattox Courthouse, Virginia, which is a small area in Virginia called Appomattox. The South had really been defeated due to um, a lack of a good cause, a lack of industrial power. Mostly the South was an agrarian or farm country. They had very little industry. The railroads were not strong. So in general, the North had been overwhelming the South over the 4-year war. And for this, by the time of this battle, the South, many soldiers were either deserting or uh, smaller military groups had already dissolved. And for the North, General Sherman had already done Sherman's March, in which he went around the side flanks and attacked the South through from westward to eastward. And battle after battle was being lost in the South. So by the time of Appomattox Courthouse, Lee already knew that the war was all but over and he was going to do one last push to try and go for a truce, but obviously that wasn't going to happen. So he was captured and surrendered. The final surrender was in this area of Virginia called Appomattox. Lee signed official at this place. Lee signed official surrender papers, and when news of that spread, all of the commanders and generals and colonels in the South surrendered at the same time. And so the Civil War was finally over. We see here another map of the area in which Appomattox was located and where the Civil War finally came to an end. Here's a plaque at the area where the surrender occurred and where Lee surrendered to Grant on April 9th, 1865, ending the war between the states and ending the Civil War.